Hi, my name's Adrian. I'm going to be presenting a short series of tutorial videos for Indigo DQM data management system. This tutorial video looks at the web scraper data provider, which is used to data mine and extract and web scrape data from the internet from web pages and websites. It's intended to give a quick overview of the capabilities of this particular data provider in Indigo DQM. So I'll get started by creating a data source. So if in the Data Management Studio, if we click the Data Sources tab, and we'll create a new web scraping data source, we'll actually organize this and place it in the web scraping data folder. Okay, choosing a name for the actual data source, World Markets, which is the website I will be data mining. Web scraping. So now we'll go ahead and edit the connection string for this. So from the drop down on the data source connection dialog, if you select the web scraper single data provider and enter the location to the URL location to the website, World Markets. Just verify that that exists. Okay. Okay, test the connection. Okay, and now we can configure the properties for the web scraper provider. So okay, we can see the various properties for the web scraper. What we want to do is configure the web crawler. So what we'll do is we'll enable the web crawler. We don't need to crawl 1,000 pages, so we'll just set that to 100. The maximum depth is fine as it is. We can also specify a configuration file which configures enhanced properties for the web crawler. The crawl action, we can set that to either content, which actually pulls in the entire web page content as HTML, or just the actual links on the website. The crawl filter can be used to actually filter out various search terms in the URL, so we can include or exclude certain URLs. Similarly with the filter file we can do the same, and we'll specify the filter action to include or exclude. We'll just leave them blank for the moment and click OK. OK there. So now we have set up a data source for a web scraper provider, the single web scraper provider. Click OK there. Now we need to set up a data query for that. So we'll put the query in the web scraping folder as well. So click New. Type a name for that, call it the same, World Markets. Again, this is a random website. And obviously we can either select a private data source or a shared data source. As we've set up a shared data source, we'll select that one. So that's all configured now. Don't need to do any more at this stage. Click OK. And there is your query. So if we execute this queried out, it will actually go ahead, run the web crawler and pull in all the data from the website. It's converting it there. Okay, that command executed successfully. So if you look at the XML, what it's done is the web crawler has actually crawled the website and converted all the HTML to XML, which we can now use xquery on to data mine the actual content. So if we open up the xquery editor, drill down into that, you can see there the actual structure of the web page and all the tags. So for this tutorial, what we'll do is we just extract the page title for each page that we've crawled. So if you paste the XPath into the query and execute that, there you go, it's pulled all the page titles in. And similarly, we can drill down and extract all sorts of data from this web page and all the web pages that we've crawled. Okay, so this was just a short tutorial video demonstrating the web scraper provider. In other tutorials I will go into extra detail and show the more advanced functionality of the system and the web crawler. So please see the links at the end of the video, and there will be further tutorials and videos to follow.